Hello guys, welcome to Technobi, and today we will be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. So these buds I recently got from Samsung shop website, and inside the box there is nothing much apart from the usual documentation, which is also a bill, and then there is this cute, compact and smart looking box. So the this is the Indian version, and the pricing in India is 13,990 INR, which sums up to around 150 plus dollars. You can do the math. So these are aesthetically really good, and sound quality is also amazing. So without any delay, let's unbox the package. So here we have the knife. Let's cut these types apart. All right. Okay, so finally we made it, and this is what it is. So a very compact case, similar to the AirPods but quite different in some manners. So this also supports wireless charging, FYI. And when we open it, so we see the LED blinking light over here, powered by AKG. So AKG is the sound partner for tuning these buds, which are meant to deliver like the string sound quality. They also support Dolby Atmos for gaming, movies. So if you have that setting enabled in your device, these beats are going to rock. So these are magnetically powered, as we already know. This is the right one, this is the left bud. Black and white combination, I quite liked it. This is the charging port, and that's about it. So if you are interested in buying this product, I will mention the link in the description, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks for watching.